Sure. Morocco is a country located in North Africa. It is known for its rich culture, beautiful landscapes, and vibrant cities. Some famous landmarks in Morocco include the Hassan II Mosque in Casablanca, the Medina of Marrakesh, and the Atlas Mountains. The official language is Arabic, but French is also widely spoken. Moroccan cuisine is a blend of African, Arabic, and European influences, and is known for dishes such as couscous and tagine. The country has a diverse population, with Berbers, Arabs, and Sub-Saharan Africans all making up significant portions of the population. Would you like more information on a specific aspect of Morocco? Sure. Moroccan culture is a rich and diverse blend of indigenous Berber, Arab, and Sub-Saharan African influences. Moroccan cuisine is known for its bold and flavorful spices, such as cumin, paprika, and turmeric, as well as its use of ingredients like olives, lemons, and dried fruit. Some popular Moroccan dishes include tagines, stews made with meat, vegetables, and fruit, couscous, a type of grain, and bastilla, a savory pastry filled with meat and spices. Do you have any specific questions about Moroccan culture or cuisine that I can help with? Moroccan cooking is known for its use of aromatic spices and flavorful ingredients. Some common spices used in Moroccan cuisine include cumin, paprika, turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon. Other ingredients that are often used in Moroccan dishes include olives, lemons, and dried fruit, as well as nuts like almonds and peanuts. One of the most famous Moroccan dishes is the tagine, which is a type of stew made with meat, vegetables, and fruit. Tagines are typically slow-cooked in a conical clay pot, which helps to retain moisture and intensify the flavors. Other popular Moroccan dishes include couscous, a type of grain that is often served with vegetables and meat, and bastilla, a savory pastry filled with meat and spices.